Hey, great day to you. So what is SmartScout? In this video, I'm going to share the answer with you. Plus, I'm going to share valuable resources that will help you get the most out of SmartScout. So your journey with SmartScout is going to be good. So let's start with the resources. The first one I have for you is simply a discount and a coupon code link in the description for SmartScout so you can save money. 25% off for 3 months with this code VOVA25. You get a 7-day money back guarantee with your investment, and also you get the discount. So check it out in the description. This cool discount. The second thing I want to share with you to help you make the most out of SmartScout is this tutorial with the founder Scott Needham and myself. Great to meet you, Bova Evan, Amazon seller. 42-minute tutorial that shows you how to use SmartScout. Link in the description. I do believe you should watch this video because Scott sold over 100 mil on Amazon and way over that actually. And I've sold a few mils on Amazon, not as much as Scott, yet still I'm a seller. And this is going to be a valuable video for you because we show you how to use SmartScout in different ways. Now, what is SmartScout? Basically, SmartScout helps you discover profitable opportunities on Amazon in minutes. It's an Amazon product research tool used by many different brands, as you can see here, and you can maybe see some familiar names from the industry. Oh, Getida just ran away here on the left, but Shane or maybe others, UPS. Okay, so find products no one else can. Our software, means SmartScouts. I'm an affiliate of SmartScout, so if you ever use my link in the description and invest in SmartScout, then I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. So by saying our software is basically the software of the guys, I'm an affiliate. But yeah, so find products no one else can. Our software collects millions of data points no other tool can provide you, helping you make decisions that increase revenue, improve ad efficiency, and find new opportunities. Again, to see exactly how it all works, check out this video. It's getting pretty popular on the channel, and the watch time is good for it because I believe that we did good work with Scott to showcase how SmartScout works with practical examples. Okay, so check it out. It's in the description. So find products no one else can and see your competitors' playbooks. Okay, SmartScout lets you dive into the details of the entire brand, see how many products they sell and their estimated revenue. So for example, you can even click around. I'll have this page for you, link in the description, the main page, and you have Adidas, Reebok. You can just kind of see different data connected to the brands, and hopefully it's going to help you with smarter decisions with the products you want to put on Amazon. So find your niche fast. We broke Amazon down by over 42,000 subcategories. Each subcategory has an estimated total value to help you see its potential. We actually show you how to use the subcategories tool in this video, which is linked in the description for you. You can kind of use the description of that video to see kind of the tools and how to use them. So just use the timestamps of that video. We show you how to use the tool basically with real examples. So yeah, find your niche fast and filter millions of options fast. So it's kind of similar here. We broke Amazon down by 42,000 subcategories. Each subcategory has an estimate total value to help you see its potential. So again, I would just recommend you checking out the subcategories tool overview here and see how it works, how to make the most out of it, how you can go deep into each category. As you can see here, for example, from home and kitchen and dining, small appliances, storage and organization, food storage, food containers. So you can discover niches in this way and see a lot of kind of data that's connected to those niches. Pretty cool tool. And you can see more data here for different brands. Yeah, and if you scroll down, you're going to see like here from sellers just like you, what other guys say, like Alex, Stefano, and Jim. Okay, I do recommend you again checking out the discount page in the description to get the best discounts, and the video that shows you how to use SmartScout product research tool for Amazon sellers, and the video that shows you how to use it is going to appear here on the screen. This will help you make the most out of this tool, and I hope it helps you find good product opportunities, and hopefully your business will grow. And again, the discount is in the description, and save big, be well, good luck in your business.